In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up assessments in Kajabi. Whether you're new to Kajabi or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make the process incredibly straightforward. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and go to kajabi.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign-in page where you'll need to log in with your email or your Google account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you've successfully logged in and are welcomed by your Kajabi dashboard, you're going to navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where you can manage all of your contacts, and in our case, it's also where you'll find the assessments. After clicking on the Contacts tab, you'll see an option titled Assessments. Go ahead and select that. Now this is where the magic happens. You're going to either click on plus new assessment, or if this is your very first assessment, you'll see a get started option. Both of these buttons are your gateway to creating a new assessment tailored for your audience. At this stage, a new window will open, prompting you to customize your assessment with a few critical details. You'll want to give the assessment a compelling title and an informative description. This information will guide your participants on what to expect. Additionally, Kajabi provides you with the option to enable automatic grading. This feature can be really useful if you want to streamline the evaluation process. You can turn this option on or off depending on how you prefer to manage your assessments. When you're satisfied with the details you've entered, it's crucial to remember to click Save. This ensures all your settings are secure and takes you to the next step where you can start adding questions to your assessment. You'll have the flexibility to tailor questions according to the objectives you want to achieve with your audience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up an assessment on Kajabi. You'll find that this platform offers robust tools to help you engage with your audience in meaningful ways. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident to create an effective assessment. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to explore the Kajabi support resources available online. They're incredibly helpful. Thanks for tuning in today and happy assessing.